welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabriella. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig. I'm going to be installing it, styling it, giving it some light layers. I wore this wig out for an impromptu little family dinner, and it was just giving me all types of life. Okay, I was going to do some major cutting to it, but after curling this unit with my Conair curling iron, I believe this is 1 inch, by the way, I just really love the way that the curls fell, so I did very light layers like I already mentioned because of that. But you guys, this is from Afsister Hair Company. I'm gonna have their playlist at the top, but I like the wigs that come from Afsister Company because of the fact that the lace, I applied this with got to be glued, so it might be a little crusty, don't mind that. But if you run the risk of having a little bit of crust when you use hairspray, always expect a level of crust to be on there if you don't take your time and really, like, you know, get like a damp makeup wipe or put some water on the back of the edge brush and really get it off. It's just gonna be there if you don't do that. So I didn't really take my time with it, so it's gonna be a little bit of crust. But you guys, I only did baby hairs right here. It really doesn't need baby hairs if you take your time to install it, because the lace, for me, my skin tone just looks so good. It is Swiss lace, like I mentioned. It is, I believe this was like 16 inches. It's gonna be down in the description box, but the lace is so nice, and you have to be careful when you're plucking, and you don't really have to pluck a lot. Like, I did the bare minimum when I plucked this wig, and you have to be careful because Swiss lace, from what I've been told, can rip really easily, so you just gotta be mindful of that. I actually like Swiss more than medium brown lace because the medium brown is just a tad bit, like, I mean, the tiniest bit too brown, and the Swiss lace for me is just like perfect, you guys. It's so perfect. If I use my Bold Hold Extreme Cream, you wouldn't even really see the slightest bit of this line right here, but like I said, I use hairspray, so of course that's why that is. But I just freaking love how easy Swiss lace is. It makes this wig very, very convenient, very easy, very, in my opinion, beginner friendly. Other than that, the hair is just really pretty. It's very thick, it's very voluminous. You don't even need to put layers in it to create more volume. I just feel like on its own, it's just, the density of this wig is very nice. The hair was super easy to curl. It took the heat very well. It lasts all throughout the day because, like I said, I already wore this wig on an outing for hours, and the curls was just like very pretty. That's really all I have to say about this unit. I never really have problems with wigs from Afsister Hair Company. If you have tried one of their units, whether your experience was bad or good, leave it down in the comment section for other people to read, just in case, you know, they're wondering about some other thoughts, because I will say, don't just buy wigs based off of my opinion. Do your research. Yes. Oh, and another thing, this is kind of off topic, but whenever I wear this lip color, I have people ask me what color it is and where it's from. This is from Milani. This is their matte satin lip, and it is Amore. And yeah, the color is Amore Love. So I love this. I love their satin lippies. It's just, they stay on, they're so vibrant. So yeah, this is what I have on. Later in the video, or in the beginning of the video, I have a purple lippy on. Wasn't cutting it, I didn't like it, so I switched to this. Yeah, so I'm gonna start talking here. I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop talking here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check your lovelies out in my next one.